Alright, so last thing we did is close in the deck, and that's it laying over there. But what I have done is, you can see here, lower you down a little bit. I'm changing the wheels on the dolly because I thought these looked good because they had good rubber on them and all, but there's a lot of slop in them, and when you try to move it, the wheel wouldn't turn, so sometimes it'd be like that, and you're moving it this way and mark the floor up. These just, they went through building 7 teardrops, but they're just, they're not that much quality. So I got these, and they're probably a little bit better quality, and they have brakes on them, which, boy, I really miss having a brake because sometimes you have to wheel chock it or something, and it becomes a hassle. Didn't realize I was holding the microphone in my hand. So what I did is I just replaced all 4 of those with some better wheels, larger weight limit, and yeah, that works a lot better. Because if you're going to take 2 or 3 months, or like some of you people, y'all might take even longer to build it. And if you got some yucky wheels on there that are all the time giving you a hassle, it's just not going to be, it's going to kill some of the fun of it. So get you some good wheels. All right, so what I want to do is I should move that out a little bit because I need to put the deck. Let me put the deck back on there so I can grind off the nails that are sticking through. You should be able to see them. I think I have one that sticks out way too far. It was a little bit longer nail screw, and I did not catch it. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's one of the ones that's sealed on the inside. So just gonna have to cut it off with the rest of them. And you can pretty much build one of these by yourself. If you have help, it'll make a big difference. It'll make some difference. You just have to get creative. It's not hard. Sometimes it's a little irritating because, you know, it's a little short on space. And that crunching sound was a fan. And I used to circulate the air and filter the air a little bit. All right, so this will be a short video, but I'm gonna put you down here, and you can see all the screws sticking through. Find them now and take your time to find them, and then you can caulk in your gaps, and we'll cut all these off. I'm not going to do a video of cutting these off because pretty much it's simple. You just take angle grinder and you just cut them off. There's plenty of grinding videos on the internet. People love to show their sparks, but I'm going to grind it off, then I'll clean it, and then we'll thin out some polyurethane and put a couple of coats on it. So, all right, see you on the next episode. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment, ask a question, make a statement. Later.